Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial with Zenphi. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can extract fields from any document, in this case from an invoice, using our Gemini action and Zenphi. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be using our Google Drive trigger, meaning it's going to extract fields from documents as soon as they arrive to a selected Google Drive folder. Simply set up your connection, which is going to grant Zenphi permission access to be able to monitor that folder. Click on the Google Drive icon to select the folder you want to monitor, and then you can use any of our AI actions. Being able to extract fields from documents is easier than ever. So here I've gone ahead and used the Gemini action. It's called Generate Text with Gemini. You have the option to select from any of our models. You can choose to use your API key. You can also use ours. Set up your system instructions and your prompt as normal, and then you're going to scroll down at the bottom and make sure you toggle Return Structured Object. What this is going to do is allow you to be able to choose the fields you want Gemini to extract, and Zenphi will be automatically able to return them as a structured object so that you can use those fields individually in future steps. No need to use JSON to object anymore, it's that simple. However, if you prefer to use JSON to object, that is still an option we offer, but this is a more effective way to be able to ensure a structured object is returned every single time. Now all you have to do is click Add Field. Since in the prompt I indicated I want to return the invoice number, the invoice date, and the total amount, I'm going to add those here as well. Now in the name, this is going to be the name that's going to appear in the output, so make sure you add a name that is descriptive, for example the invoice number. Just make sure you avoid spaces. And then in the description, this is going to be instructions for what AI should extract or generate for this specific field. Let's head over to the Output tab. Here we're going to see some new additions to this familiar tab. Things like confidence scores, that way you're able to see the confidence in which it extracted each one of the fields. And then down at the bottom, you'll see the structured object. Here you'll be able to see all the different fields you added along with their description. Now once they appear here, keep in mind that you can use the token picker to be able to add these values anywhere, whether that's in a task, if you want to add it to a Google Sheet, if you want to be able to add it to your QuickBooks. Here for demonstration purposes, I've added a log to history just so that we can log the values that were found in this specific document, and this is a sample invoice I'll be using today. So let's go ahead and do a test run. And if we take a look at the log, we can see that the information extracted here matches exactly to what is on the document. As you can see, it's easier than ever to be able to extract fields from your documents. No more technical knowledge, no need to use JSON to object. Simply describe what you want to extract. That way Gemini knows how to find those specific fields or how to generate them. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Let us know if you have any questions.